In the middle, yeah, shows it. How do you know when it runs out of recording?
It don't, it can go on for ages.
There's a little red light flash at the top.